First, we need to download the app. Open Google Play Store and search Gift Reward app. You can earn by doing very easy work in this app. For 0.7 there are ratings in this app. Well, we open the app. Click here to select a Gmail and sign up. And use refer code 1234. By working on this app here, we'll get 100% guaranteed money. Now we will see how to work. We'll spin the wheel first. We must connect a VPN to work. Open Google Play Store again to download VPN. You can work with any VPN. Well, I downloaded Turbo VPN and now I open it. Select America country by selecting location. Click on United. I have selected the new work. From here, if you can select any. Once connected, open the Gift Reward app. Now we will open our income. One by deducting from the VPN app. We have connected VPN, now we will work. We will once again turn the wheel and earn income first. Here are more limited jobs and pay immediately. In this way you can earn points and take payments. Here we are paid in exchange for viewing ads. I spun my lucky wheel and got 12 free. Second job is just watching ads. Every time you watch a video you will get 10 points. And subscribe to our YouTube channel now. Everyone who works here will get paid. Earn coins by scratching here. You can now scratch 6 times. After 10 minutes again unlimited like this 6 times. And when you get bonus coins, click on ads. We now come to the home screen and try the next task. Earn coins by answering simple numbers here. I am having a lot of fun playing this game. Advertisements here are a bit high, but this app pays 100%. You can earn by referring here. You can join their Telegram channel if you want. Here they show the screenshots of the payment. You can work safely by paying this app 100%. Get 200 free points per referral. Click on reward box to take payment. Give 5-star rating and pay 100%. There are numerous ways to take payment. But I pay a Coinbase TRX encourage payment here. This app can be the first income of your life. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. I sent the payment request. And I have received numerous payments from this app. You can see all your information here by clicking on the 3-dot line menu. Here you will see your payment history. And here the payment history of all users is shown. Thanks for watching the video this long. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch the next video.